Good morning friends, good morning. In this video we are going to teach you full process of milk extraction by your two hands. Let's watch. At first we need to bring the baby. As you can see, the climate here is so beautiful, and this is the traditional Indian method. Here we are bringing the calf, and the first is that she will drink a milk. So this is the first step. You have to put little bit of oil in your hand. See here, little bit of oil in the milk of the cow. So this is the first process. This is the full video of milk extraction by your two hands. Many of our subscribers ask me what food you used to give. So the food we used to give our cow is that from here we used to grow grass, green grass, organic grass, and all those organic grass we used to feed them here. As you can look, the climate is so beautiful. It looks so amazing, just like a cotton candy. So here is the process. I will zoom it. First process is to clean your hand carefully with water. Then you have to clean the milk of the cow. Then you have to put the utensil beneath the, and you have to just do like that. Look at the process carefully. So this was the full process of extracting milk by hand. If you like our video, do subscribe and do support her. uh, Actually I am just a cameraman, and the owner of this channel is she. And please support. You need to support. If you support her, she will encourage to make more videos, and her target is to increase the farm. She had only one cow right now, and she want to increase. So if you support, we can increase 3-4 cows. It's our daily livelihood. Do subscribe us. And as you can look, here is the area where we are we have a dream to build a big farmhouse here, a dairy farm, so that we can support our livelihood. So that's why we are making the video in a YouTube. We have the long patch of land here. The purpose of making YouTube video is that we want to increase the cow and increase the production of the cow. That's why. Do subscribe. Thank you very much. Please subscribe us.